Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by prepping and positioning. Clean the surface with isopropyl until no residue remains, then dry it fully. Once done, measure and dry fit the sticker, aligning edges and using a small piece of painter's tape as a hinge. This keeps placement exact. Make sure ambient temperature is between 15 and 25 degrees C so adhesive behaves predictably. Now lift just one corner and peel the backing slowly, keeping tension low so the sticker doesn't stretch or wrinkle as you begin placement. You proceed by anchoring and smoothing. Peel about 1/3 of the backing from the hinge, then lay that exposed edge onto the surface. Using a squeegee or a credit card wrapped in a soft cloth, press from the center toward the edges to force out air and encourage uniform adhesion. Move slowly and deliberately. If bubbles appear, lift the nearest edge slightly and reapply while smoothing. Make sure to keep steady pressure across the entire sticker until the adhesive contacts fully and no gaps remain. You finish by sealing and inspecting. Once the sticker is fully down, run the squeegee over all edges and corners to ensure a firm seal. Trim any excess material with a fresh blade at a shallow angle to avoid lifting the design. If you find tiny bubbles, gently pierce with a pin and press the air out, then smooth immediately. For large bubbles, lift the nearest seam and reapply slowly. Make sure to let the adhesive cure for 24 to 48 hours before subjecting it to heavy use.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.